Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the conventional form of treatment, if you are suffering from hypothyroidism along with PCOS, what are the medications that your gynecologist or your MD general would suggest you to use? The allopathic form of medication. These four particularly are for PCOS, and this one is for thyroid, or your MD general or your endocrinologist would suggest for your thyroid. So if you're taking these four which are for PCOS, they have contraceptives, hormonal contraceptives. They have their own side baggage of side effects, where there is severe weight gain, there is acne, there is hair fall, there is oilier skin, and there is fatigue. And then if you're stopping hormonal pills, you can experience mid-menstrual bleeding as well. So apart from not curing the condition, they are just to manage the condition, and even in the managing section also, they do come with some side effects. Okay, along with that, anti-androgens, these are for maintaining the androgen level. Whenever you're using anti-androgens, the androgen level is maintained for some time, and then after you stop using it, again the condition reverts back. That's something that you have to understand. And low dose steroids and GnRH agonists or antagonists, they usually create a menopause like symptom. So whenever there is menopausal like symptoms, if you are someone who wants to get pregnant, or if you're going to get married, then this is not something you have to look forward for, because menopausal symptoms, dry vagina, pain during intercourse, and also there are less chances of getting conceived. And then we have the last one, which is levothyroxine tablets, which are for thyroid, or which is for hypothyroidism. See, whenever you're using these tablets, the thyroid level can be maintained, but after you stop using these tablets, the thyroid level can again fluctuate if you are not taking medication which will alter the pulsations of TSH. And also, this medicine, as long as you're using it, it's fine. The dose should be proper for you, and also people who should use it for lifelong. There is no going back, right? But we need medication wherein you don't have to use a medication for lifelong, where there is a medication which is safe, which is effective, which is treating all of the diseases without going to different doctors. That is nothing but homeopathic form of treatment. See, whenever you're experiencing thyroid, if you're already using this thyroid tablets, understand, even if you're going to a homeopathic doctor, that you should not stop your thyroid tablets like the next day you're visiting a homeopathic doctor and you stop everything. That doesn't work like that. Your body is used to certain tablets, so you have to tamper down the dose. Okay, you have to tamper down each and every dose that you're using, and come to a stage where there is very little medication, and then there is no medication at all, and you're completely relied on homeopathy, and then treat you constitutionally and miasmatically, and then tamper down the homeopathic dose as well, and then you attain a sort of cure for your case. Okay, so this is how it works. Many people, whenever you visit homeopathic doctors, they just switch off all their tablets. That doesn't work. The body will go through a lot of changes on a very short period of time, which is not favorable for good prognosis. You have to remember that. So how does homeopathy help actually? Homeopathy is completely safe, so it doesn't have side effects. First and foremost thing, as long as you're using it, you do not go with the baggage of side effects. It's effective in curing your PCOS condition, where where there is understanding of the link on how the PCOS has originated, how it's going, and what is the prognosis of it. By studying your case, we will be able to give you medicine which will treat you holistically, mentally and physically, connecting with the symptoms. The medicine will be given to you, and that medicine will be able to alter or maintain the hormonal fluctuations. It will be able to maintain the TSH fluctuations. It will be able to maintain your mood swings, your period irregularizations. We will be able to regularize all of this on a longer run. It depends upon your disease. See, if you are coming with the subclinical stage, then that's a different kind of a treatment. Fully blown stage, then that's a different kind of treatment. Complicated stage, and that is a different kind of treatment. So it depends upon the case and how the case is prognosing. Not every case will require the same amount of treatment or same amount of drugs or same drug as well. Every individual, even though they're suffering from the same disease, will receive different kind of medications, and that is the beauty of homeopathy, because it's tailor-made. Okay, and then if you understand all of this, taking homeopathic medication, you will understand that the rate of recurrence of these diseases compared to allopathic form of treatment is very less in homeopathic form of treatment. And then we will be able to relieve your case, cure your case on a good timely fashion, and then prevent future recurrences. This is something that you should be understanding, and this is completely safe. If you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, we have discussed how homeopathy is a better stand than allopathic form of treatment, and in homeopathy, Fidicus homeopathy gives you a best chance at health. If you're someone who's suffering from all of this, we have two kinds of consultations, which is online and offline consultation. If you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can contact us in person, or you can come in person and contact us or take a consultation with us. And if you're someone who's staying far away from us, you can contact us online through audio consultation options or through the video consultation options, right? And after consultation and after the investigations have been verified, especially to the online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And apart from that, across the globe, anywhere, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us or know more about us, you can contact us on this number, call us, WhatsApp us, or message us. And if you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. We have discussed how homeopathy is a better choice in treating lifestyle disorders, right? And we will now discuss why Fidicus Homeopathy is a better choice, because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. 1, we have already having good or high success rate in treating PCOS, PCOD, bulky uterus, dysmenorrhea, fibroids, endometriosis, adenomyosis, as well as cervical erosion. So we have high success rate in treating these cases. Apart from that, we have transparent treatment. What do you mean by transparent treatment? There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The prognosis will be clearly explained to you, and the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. We will be answering all of your questions and letting you know if there is something that your case demands. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy.
Fidicus Homeopathy.